What's going on, traders? Hope you all having a good time. I'm back home chilling on my couch. Guys, yesterday we catched a beautiful drop on NASDAQ. I shared this one with the inner circle of my team, all the masterclass students. We took 2 entries. Actually, the first one was a loss, but the second chance entry was able to make like 260,000 overall for yesterday. Last video we talked about last 2 weeks, I was losing like 250,000 or something. So I was down around 3%, a little bit more than 3%, like 3.5%. And now, yeah, on Monday, I had a beautiful session, loaded it up, catch the beautiful drop late New York session. Overall, for the month, for last month and this month, like this is 2 months, up around 2.4 million, and the last 4 months we up $4.3 million. Already we're through 3.9, and yeah, I'm doing this on my Hanko Trade Live account. So guys, if you're looking for a broker, I will put the link down below in the description. Guys, as I told you inside my free Telegram channel, that we are running a giveaway right now. So if we can smash 1,000 likes on my last video and on this video, then I'm going to pick 2 winners who can get the Genius Trading Masterclass course plus lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team with all the students from our team inside the group chats. And or if you're already inside, you can get a $10,000 FTMO challenge and hopefully get funded and make some big money. So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment in the comment section to participate in the giveaway, because I'm going to pick a random comment from the comment section, and yeah, the winner gets the prize, guys. So let's get straight into the charts and talk about how I was able to make 260,000 yesterday on a Monday before I took that flight this morning, early morning. And yeah, let's get straight into the charts, guys. Let's go. All right, traders, let's get into business. Let's talk about yesterday's trading session and the trades that I shared with the inner circle. So on Friday, guys, we had this beautiful push above Thursday's high. So on Friday, we had this beautiful push above Thursday's high. And as you can see, it got rejected super hard. And then the market was coming back, going down, and even taking out Thursday's low. So this looks like a clear reversal to the downside. So overall, we had like a lot of bullish movement last week, but on Friday we kind of like broke that structure, and it seemed like we are going to get ready to attack the sell side liquidity next. And I was pretty late because I was in a water park. I was on some water slides having some fun, like falling down from water slides, and it was just a nice day with my sister and my niece. So I was home at around, it was late New York session. It was around 12, nearly 12 in the morning, New York session, New York time, 11:30 or something. This is when I got in front of the chart, so I saw like that we already had this crazy drop on that Monday, right, yesterday. So I was checking the lower time frames, of course, and I was checking for some, I mean, if you have like a strong move like that and you expect like another push more down, maybe down to another low, to the next low, Friday, Thursday, maybe Wednesday's low. This is what I was ultimately targeting, because I expected another push deeper. I wanted to see this thing go down a little bit more to take out Wednesday's low. So what was happening in here, guys? Well, if we already had like this huge drop, let us check the 2-minute chart. If we already have this big drop in here, market was even late London starting to go down, then New York session open, continue to go down, Then the algorithm started to kick in, keeps going down, just bearish pressure all day long. I saw this one, I was like, okay, this to me, this looks a little bit like just like a little stop hunt before they wanted to go down some more, because I expected like bearish pressure. I expected the market to drop some more. So as soon as I saw that structure break in here, I was ready to sell. So I took the sell in here, put the stop above, and then we had like a beautiful push, but the market was not ready yet. So I was a little bit too early, got stopped out. And then I took another more aggressive entry in here. Wait, I took it in here. We really need to go down to the 15-second chart, because I was checking the really low time frames for that breakout structure after we pulled out the liquidity, after we got stopped out, after a lot of sellers got stopped out and buyers got tricked into the market above the high where we got stopped out. This is where I wanted to see like another structure break. So first of all, I thought like maybe putting my stop to 420. So my first entry was like that, right? But then I saw that bearish pressure and I started to load it up and lower my stop to around 12,395. So I gave it a little bit air to breathe and I was loading it up in here to make sure I have a beautiful risk reward ratio. And yeah, as soon as the market came here, I was really putting my stop just above the structure to lower the risk. And then I was just letting this market go down. And I think I took first profits on this low in here. Somewhere in here, I closed my first position. It was like 50% of that whole position. And then when we dropped down below this low in here, and I mean the market was already pretty late, New York session, I didn't want to hold this thing until the end. I was in the bar, I was drinking some cocktails before my flight, and I wanted to get out, so I decided to take everything off the table just below this significant low in here. So yeah, this is what I did. Market paid me like 260 grand. Took all my losses from the last 2 weeks back, so I'm break even now pretty much for the last 2 weeks. But you cannot see the market, your results like that. You need to see the long-term game. See the result at the end of like 3 months or something like that, and really keep on focusing to execute your strategy. And yeah, this should be your ultimate goal, and the money will follow after that. I'm pretty sure, guys. If you set up a game plan that works, just follow it consistently and see what it can do for you in the next 2 to 3 months. Don't get bothered by a losing week, guys. I'm telling you, or maybe you have 2 losing weeks. Maybe you didn't stick 100% to your strategy, to your game plan, to your setup, and you take some losses. But guys, you really need to focus on good risk management. That's the key, guys. Don't over risk because emotions get involved. Don't over risk. Stick to your strategy, stick to your risk management, and don't let emotions ruin your trading decisions, guys. Don't get scared, don't get greedy. Just take your profits, take some profits off the table at the first easiest targets. Make sure to pay yourself along the way. Don't always aim for the big run. I mean, if you always try to get this biggest run, this shows me just that you're greedy. You want to have this big money with this one trade. It's not going to work like that, guys. You need to take profits at clear targets. I mean, I could have taken profits in here. Sure. I could have taken some profits in here, right? Which I did. And of course, take profits at around this low. But as you can see, after we took out like these super obvious significant lows, structure lows, after we took them out, we reversed pretty strong and took a lot of sellers out of the market in here. Got even a pretty steep retracement. But yeah, overall the market was continuing to go down after we had this consolidation during Asia and London. Market was keeping going down. I couldn't check the charts. I was in a restaurant with my girlfriend. We eating something, and yeah, I couldn't check the charts. But yeah, I don't mind. I had a beautiful day yesterday. Maybe we have a beautiful day tomorrow or Thursday. Let's see. I will keep you updated, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button for the next giveaway to participate, and join my free Telegram channel to stay updated about the giveaway and all that good stuff. And yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for your time. Stay healthy, guys. Peace out. Every time I, my body in